All right, guys, we got you a 2021 Ram 1500 Longhorn Limited. Really beautiful truck. Came all the way from Clarksville. He's a military, he just retired from the military. But we want to thank him for his service, and we said he's going to supercharge it and all this other crazy stuff to it. So we said, I got you. We're going to make you 2.5 all the way back, true dual. He said, do it. I said, okay. Got factory converters there and there. Then we got 2.5-inch true dual, as you guys can see there, all the way back. And it keeps going, and then 2.5 out the rear on each side. Believe it or not, these come with 2-inch tailpipes. We said, we're not having that. So we took them off and ran 2.5 all the way back on each side. Right there, into 5-inch black tips. There and there. There's the original system that came on it. 3-inch in the middle. That's where it wires into a single there. That's where you cut it and open the beast up. There's the rear, and you guys can see, like you can see, it is 2-inch all the way into, there's the resonators and the 4-inch tips. Take a picture right there. Look at that Cadillac in the background. There it is, right there. It looks so much better now, so much cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification. Much better. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. Again, there's sound decibels. Again. One more. 109. It actually peaked at like 111, guys. Nice. What do you guys think? Look how deep it is, how throaty. 2.5-inch all the way back. Let you guys hear on the inside.